Peace, fam. General Banks from ABA. Today's video is going to be shooting with the youth. Today, I'll be taking the kids to the range to work on some rifle techniques and pistol techniques with the 22 for them. Me personally, I'll be shooting the binary 308. Peace.
Sit it down. Look what you did. Good job. You got one miss. One miss. Target. Go ahead. Excellent shoot. Alright, put it on safe. Good job. Now we're going to move you out a little further and you can shoot some more. Now you want to go center mass. Them all heads. Good shot. Good shoot. Alright, so now you're going to go right here, center mass. Put them all in the chest. Same thing. You got to put it back on fire. The rest of the bullets go center mass in the chest. Put it on safe. Alright, let's see what you do. Yeah, you're going to get brass sometimes. And next time, just put the gun down before you move. Good job. Good job, man. That's A+ shooting, bro. Alright, go ahead and shoot. Firearm down. I told you don't point the barrel no way but the see you all over there. I mean, that's good for your first time shooting. I think you would have stopped there. Not too bad, them hits. What's this, Uzi?
Yes, sir.
Uzi.